Welcome to the world of assertiveness. Have you ever wondered how precise communication can transform your personal and professional life? With assertiveness, your reality instantly changes for the better. Imagine no longer fearing someone getting upset, shouting, or mocking you. You'll be happier and better equipped to handle daily challenges. In your workplace, you'll manage your team more effectively, hold a better position, discuss difficult matters, withstand conflicts, and maintain a calm and open mind. This leads to successful contracts, promotions, and improved team communication, directly resulting in better earnings. Simultaneously, your family and social relationships will flourish. Some people may drift away, but you'll be left with those who truly matter. By following the guide The Power of Precise Communication, how to earn more money in any industry, you'll master your fear of stepping forward and start shaping your reality, rather than adapting to situations. Stay tuned, as in my next video on YouTube, I'll tell you why this is priceless. Follow me on my YouTube channel and Facebook under the name, Let's Be Assertive.